Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Here we're going to talk about lookups. We have a lot of lookups to review, over 20 in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm going to go through these rather quickly just because there's so many. VLOOKUP, one of my favorites, just because it's been in my back pocket forever. Why? Because it does a great job. There's an XLOOKUP, and it does the same thing. It just has more gears, if you will. Let's say we were working with a 4-speed. Now, if we go over to the newer functions, they're probably an 8-speed. Here we have some data. What we're going to do is we want to look at the performance based on a golf score. VLOOKUP. It looks up a value in the first column and returns a value. I have true highlighted here. True just indicates the approximate match, and then false is an exact match. Here's the anatomy. We have E5. What are we looking up? We're going to look up this golf score here. And it's just this golf score, not the range. There won't be any spill feature here. We're looking at this format. The second format is the Golf 225. In other words, it's the name range. Then you're not comfortable using the VLOOKUP. You can use the old school, and that's the if statement. The if statement is just says if this, then, and then it requires a lot of data entry. You're going to have to fill in A, B, C, D based on these parameters. It's up to you. I'm not going to delve into this. You can review this on your own. We're going to focus just on the lookup. XLOOKUP, what are we looking up? 62. Where does it fit in within the performance? E5, the array or the range. We're going to look up in this from B5 to C9. Then what are we looking for? We're looking for whatever happens in performance, or column 2. And then true is an approximate match. Why? Well, because our scores are in a range between 60 and 65. That's it. There's no magic. You can read this right up here. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks.